Facing criticism about unaccounted income, Baba Ramdev and his aides declared their assets today, but only partially. The Baba's 1100 crore mammoth business empire and the dealings of his key aide Balakrishna are now under the Income Tax Department scanner.
हम इस संस्थान को जो सरकार की संविधान की व्यवस्था है, जो नियम है, जो संविधान के अंतर्गत जो एक व्यवस्था की गई है, उसी के अनुसार हम चलाते हैं। ट्रस्ट बकायदा प्रतिवर्ष उसका ऑडिट होता है।
It was a press conference meant to clear the air, where Baba Ramdev and his associate Balakrishna were to declare and explain the assets in their massive 1,100 crore rupee yoga empire. On their website, Ramdev posted balance sheets of the last several years of his charitable trusts, declaring the capital they have and the expenses that they have incurred. In this, they reveal details of 4 trusts: Bharat Swabhiman Trust, Divya Yog Mandir Trust, Patanjali Yogpeeth Trust and Acharya Kulshikshan Trust. But the Yoga Guru's declaration was at best only partial. There is no mention of the over 30 profit-making private companies which run Ramdev's organization.
हमने एक बात कह दी आपको, श्रद्धेय आचार्य जी के पास कंपनियां बनाने की आखिर क्यों जरूरत पड़ी? जो काम ट्रस्ट में नहीं हो सकते थे, वो काम हमने कंपनियों के माध्यम से किए और उसके लिए भी उद्देश्य सेवा है.
From charitable trusts receiving crores and donations, to Ayurveda colleges, to commercial enterprises, the yoga preacher's huge wealth has come under the scanner, with both the Income Tax Department and the Enforcement Directorate probing into it. The government says it's also looking into allegations that Baba's aide Balakrishna has multiple passports. This is just a sneak peek into Baba Ramdev's 1,100 crore rupees yoga empire, which he built over the last several years, a place where leaders from across the political spectrum used to come and visit him. Now, it's this very empire and the massive wealth he owns that have come back to haunt him. In Haridwar with camera person Sanjay Kaushik, Tejas Mehta for NDTV.
NDTV's cricket app, Android and iPhone. Fastest scorecard, special analysis and much more. Download free. ndtv.com/apps.